Okay, next let's go in and take a look at the table VBPA. This table is going to give us basically the partner information that we reviewed in the sales order. Remember, we had partner information at the header as well as the line item in the order. So therefore, we're going to have sales document, item, and then partner function, along with the partner that's associated with this header or line item entry. Okay, you can see we've got a key here, key entry for sales document and item. And then if you kind of scroll down through here, you can see various information about the partners. So we might use this table if we're going to do some analysis on partners and particular partner attributes related to a sales document, either at the header or line item level. On this table, I'd like to point out too, if you think about a partner, a particular ship to location or customer location, what we're not seeing is any address information in here. Okay, and that's because basically this is going to be a snapshot of the partners in the sales document, and then the addresses may vary, so those are going to be stored in a whole nother table. What we have instead of having the addresses in this table is this field, ADRNR, which is going to indicate the address that's related to that. So then I can come over here to another table, ADRC, and we'll go in and display this table as well. And there you can see, okay, this is going to match up with our ADRNR from the other table. I'm going to go ahead and slide these over so we can kind of compare. So what we'll have here is our sales document table with our partner information pointing to the address details for each of those. That way we could have separate address details stored for the ship to at the header versus one of the independent line items, ship tos, different information for the bill tos, the payers, and all the custom partners that you might have. And in this table, you'll see all the various and very detailed information about customer address information, okay? And it's really business partner information, okay, because this table is going to store everything. So often when doing partner analysis as it relates to a sales document, we'll use both of these tables. Say if I want to look at orders which have gone to a particular street address for a ship to, this will contain that specific address versus what might be stored as the default address in the customer master data. Okay. Now, if we come back here to our VBPA table, just like to point out the same things that we've seen on the other tables. We can go in here and look at any of the check tables that we might want to see if things relate to, in particular, say master data, like KNA1 or LFA1 versus some relationship to the sales information or even to a configuration. Again, we can see T005 would be a configuration table. So very helpful to go in and look at where this data is actually coming from. You can see the blank ones here, most likely coming from the sales order itself. And then if I check the attributes on this one, again, we see this is part of package VZ. In case I want to check any other tables related to this, I might go look at all tables stored in package VZ here. Okay. And that really takes care of the partner information as it relates to the sales order.